Okay, next case is Teeter versus Lopez. This is an interesting case. It has to do with butterfly knives. There was a ban on butterfly. You know what a butterfly knife is?
Oh, yeah.
It's an adorable little fluttery knife.
It's very pretty.
Like it looks like a little monarch, but I know. It's that knife that you used to see in the 80s and all the martial arts movies, where they...
Yep.
In fact, you know what? There was a butterfly knife in Red Dawn. Do you remember that?
Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah.
Robert had a butterfly knife. Remember the scene when he was carving into the stock of his AK,
Right.
all the kills, and the lieutenant colonel said, "All that hate's going to burn you up inside."
Yeah.
And he said, "It keeps me warm," and then he did
my
his butterfly
soul.
knife thing.
My boys have a butterfly spoon.
A butterfly spoon?
Yeah.
That's kind of awesome. Okay, so here's what happened. So there's a ban in Hawaii on butterfly knives. A guy named Teeter sued to be able to own a butterfly knife based on the Second Amendment. He said, hey, this is an arm, I have the right to keep and bear arms. The district court upheld the ban. So he took it to district court, and they said, yeah, it's fine for them to ban this kind of arm. He then went to the Ninth Circuit Court of Appeals, which is a 3-judge panel, and the Ninth Circuit Court of Appeals said that the ban is, in fact, a violation of the Second Amendment. So that's a very positive ruling. That's a good thing. So here's where things got a little twisted. Rather than go to a full en banc, which would be a bigger panel, it's not every judge in the Ninth Circuit, but it's far more than 3.
It's like 11,
Yeah.
I believe, around
That
there.
is even more than that. But anyway, it was on its way to an en banc, and then the state of Hawaii said, wait a minute, we're going to make it legal, okay? So they went back and said, actually what happened was it was going towards an en banc, okay, which means that the ruling from the panel basically disappears. If it goes to an en banc, then the ruling before that from the Ninth Circuit Court of Appeals in effect disappears. Now I'm using layman's language and I'm, shortening this, but basically that's what happens. Is they say, all right, well, this is going to go to en banc. This is going to go to a bigger panel than 3 judges. Therefore, the decision, you're agreeing that this decision by the appeals judges disappears, just goes away, completely disappears. After that agreement, Hawaii said, well, we're going to make butterfly knives legal. And then we're going to go back to the court and said, hey, it's moot. The point is moot. There's no longer any reason to hear this case because we have now made butterfly knives legal. Well, yay, right? That's terrific. They won. Here's the problem. So that's the good news. The good news is if you're in Hawaii, you can get a butterfly knife right now, thanks to them changing the law. And I got to tell you, changing public policy is a good thing. I don't care why people behave. I just care that they behave. So the fact that the legislators in Hawaii behaved and changed the law on the surface is a good thing. Here's the bad news. That case is gone. It's as if it never happened now. There's no precedent. In fact, it doesn't apply to the rest of the Ninth Circuit. It's as if it never happened. So basically what it looks like is the Ninth Circuit, the Hawaii legislators or, the anti-gun attorneys saw the writing on the wall and said, hey, we don't want this thing to apply to the entire Ninth Circuit. We're about to get, shellacked here. So change the law, and then we don't have to have this bad precedent sitting out there. That's kind of what it looks like happened there. So kind of mixed news. Hawaii, congratulations. Do the little flippy thing with your butterfly knife and enjoy your victory. But unfortunately, the rest of the Ninth Circuit, we didn't get a positive ruling on that because the case was ruled moot. There was actually a judge on the Ninth Circuit who dissented. He wrote his dissent, basically said, hey, his name's Judge Van Dyke. He was a Trump appointee, and there was a fantastic decision that he wrote basically saying, hey, you guys are playing games here. We should honor what was said in the Bruin case, et cetera, et cetera. So, but that's that case. You needed to know that. That's pretty much the end of that case. Who knows what will happen in the future. Hey, everybody. Thanks for watching. I'm Michael from Gun Owners Radio. If you liked what you saw, please don't forget to like, subscribe, share, and make a comment. Help us out. Go to gunownersradio.com. Thanks for watching.